Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I will explain about how to use JavaScript in HTML. So let's get started. Part of this video, I will explain inner HTML and text content. So first, we need to create a one folder for JavaScript. Assume it is like a workspace. Workspace means it contains all the projects, right? All the applications, projects. So JavaScript. Assume this is a JavaScript workspace. It contains the JavaScript. So it contains the JavaScript projects. Let's create a one file. Suppose so basic.html. Basic.html. Right click, open with Notepad. So first, I will write some tags, some basic HTML tags. HTML, so open tag, HTML, closing tag. HTML, open tag, HTML, closing tag. After that, head, 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 closing tag. Inside the head, title will be there. Title, suppose basics, closing tag. Title, right? So after that, body. Body opening tag, body closing tag. Suppose if you want to apply some style, single quote, color column, drag up. So suppose here H1, welcome, close H1, Control S, so double click, open this, the welcome. So these are the so basic tags of HTML, right? So let's remove this and so let's write some JavaScript. So like document, it is the object document dot write method will be there. Document dot write method will be there. Suppose same welcome. Welcome. Control S. See what will happen. This is the JavaScript code we are placed inside the HTML. Replace it. Oh, it is entire code it is returning. It is treating like a text, not the JavaScript. So if you write like this, it will treat like a text only, not the JavaScript. To tell browser it is a JavaScript code, we need to use script. We need to use script tag. Suppose make it like a body. Script. So inside body, this script tag we can able to use. Inside header also we can able to use this script tag. Both places applicable. Suppose in header control as so reverse header body. If you want to separate lines, let's use BR. where means break. Represent the two lines, right? So if you are using if you are using JavaScript code inside HTML, we need to place inside the script tag in HTML file. If you want to use JavaScript, then we need to place inside the script file. We need to place inside the script file, right? So this one point. So commands. If you want to use JavaScript commands, this is the double slash is the one command. Control S, the repress it, gone red. It is the valid command. Else we can also use slash star slash. This is also valid command. See, so it is not working. Let's think why it is not working. So it is a JavaScript command. So script is a HTML tag. So if you want to use, we need to use here. So we need to use here. Control as go to browser, refresh it. We need to use like this. If we want to use HTML tags like hyphen alpha. These are the these are the HTML commands. So refresh it. See, there is no issue. So as of now we are understand O to where to place and O to place Java script code inside HTML file and commands, right? Commands if not placed the script tag if not placed on so inside the script file inside the script tag if we are not placed JavaScript code then it will treat like a text, right? We are understand, right? Suppose JavaScript code is there in so external some another file or some another location. So suppose let's create a JS. Here let's create a JS. Inside JS, so new like suppose some under dot JS, some under dot JS. So right click, open with, open with, open with Visual Studio. Visual Studio. So here document dot write document dot write so like a body. Control S, close this one, close this one. So remove this. For script, we need to add src where this available under folder D drive JS under dot JS. JS slash under dot JS. Control S replace now. So it is showing nothing. That means it is not working JS class, otherwise change the name, right click, show more options, rename, about only J, about only J, control S, refresh, so it is not working, right click, inspect, so control, see, unsafe attack. Content unavailable. Resource was not captured. So some issue is there. Let me check. See here SRC source SRC right control S. Now refresh the browser. See body right. So what we learned up to where to place JavaScript code inside HTML. This is one. Post one. After that, commands of JavaScript, HTML. Well learned. So go to load external JavaScript file. Well learned. Up to the three well learned, right? So the three well learned. So now I will do some mistake in JS file. JS file is there, right? Open with Visual Studio. So this semicolon is optional. If multiple like these statements are there, then only mandatory. I am removing the bracket. So now just refresh. So pay to place JavaScript code inside HTML. So nothing is showing, right? Inspect conjure. See uncast syntax error missing. Some issue is there. Basic HTML content not available. Conjure content unavailable. Resource was not catched. See where this error, syntax error, under.js. Click here. So under.js file line number 1. By using this, we need to go to this line and verify what it is. So we understand how to debug, right? Now let's resolve this error. Control S, refresh it. Now it is working fine, right? Now what we need to do, see it is showing deprecated kind. So strike out, right? Strike out, it is showing. So why it is showing, I will explain. So what we are learning in this video, JavaScript DOM manipulation, we are learning, right? So first I will explain the what is the DOM. As of now, we are understand this. So way to play JavaScript code inside HTML. So commands how to load external JavaScript file. This we learned up to. So DOM manipulation. So we will understand DOM manipulation. DOM manipulation. DOM manipulation is the process of dynamically changing dynamically changing HTML, comma, CSS, comma, and content of a verb, content of a verb page using content of a verb page using JavaScript, using JavaScript. So it is the DOM manipulation. What is DOM manipulation? DOM manipulation is the process of dynamically changing. DOM manipulation is the process of dynamically changing HTML, CSS, and content of a web page using JavaScript. It is called DOM manipulation, right? Dynamically changing HTML, CSS content is called DOM manipulation. So it we are observed right strikeout. To resolve, we can use two ways we can do like inner HTML text content, right? Context text content, right? For that, what we need to do? So this is the JavaScript command, right? Single line command. So what we need to do here? Suppose do document dot get element by ID, get element by ID. Suppose what we I give, suppose ID dot inner HTML equal to double quote semicolon. What do we need to mention? Like suppose body, assume like a body, same body. This is ID is there, right? Control S plus refresh. What will happen? So it is nothing working. So go inside these basics. So what we need to do inside body, suppose P. P means paragraph. P closing the ID equal to suppose so p body something I am giving. So id some assume like a value, some value. After that, by using JavaScript, this default value I am repressing. So let's refresh it. So still it is not working. Check here. Document dot get element by ID inner HTML inner HTML. Suppose add one. If it is like a keyword kind of, let's add one. So let's add one. Control S just 3%. So till it is not working, inspect it. Control cannot set property of null setting in null. So null, right? Cannot set properties of null inner HTML. So what I need to do? A sum issue. So let's verify it. Go to so we are loading is defined. Body it is defined. Then what is the issue? So here document dot get element by ID. This is some ID inner HTML body. So this ID we need to pass here. ID one. This is control S. Repress it. So body right. So this is the by use external JS loading. External JS loading. So this is the ID. So see get element by ID. This ID we need to pass here. If you want to default text, you need to add suppose well, something default text. If you want to place, you can place here. Right? This is the by using external way we can load the CSS. So without this also we can achieve by using without this also we can achieve by using the text content. I will also go to here. This is also commented. Copy this. Control C. Control V. Suppose body one instead of inner text content. Control S. Get element by ID. Just refresh. Body one is coming right. So go to here. This is not needed. Control S. This is not needed as well. See, cannot set properties of null. Look like it is needed. So it is needed, but it is the safer, safer, safer than inner HTML. So by using two ways, we can render test in browser. We will display the some test in browser by using two ways, like document dot get element by ID We can display the text in modern approaches. Document.getElement by ID dot text content. And this way in our HTML text content. So in this video, we have successfully understand in HTML where to place JavaScript file, what are the supported commands, different ways to add a commands in HTML code and inside HTML code, inside JavaScript code. So after that, O to debug, O to inspect and check. After that, O to write some data to browser by using like these DOM manipulations like document.getElement by ID, some ID name, inner HTML, text content. These two ways. Thank you for watching this video. Successfully understand JavaScript DOM manipulation, inner HTML via text content. Thank you.